Whether you're interested in wide open spaces or intrigued by rocky cliffs, Reynisfjara Beach surrounds you with beauty. Known for its black sand beaches, spectacular sea caves, and distinct geological features, the beach offers ample opportunities to take in Icelandic natural wonders crafted over the centuries. We visited at low tide, so we were able to venture further down the beach towards the sea stacks than you might be able to at other times of day. Regardless of when you visit, breathtaking views await.